Drobného 18 in Dúbravka, Bratislava, Slovakia. In this door you have to close both sides. Normally you also have to close both sides, but the last one has some fault, so it was possible to write it with the left side open. Brand year and serial number are unknown, but this for 3 so 250 kilograms. This building has 3 staircases and 6 elevators, 3 bigger ones and 3 smaller ones. Basement. These elevators are otherwise original, but they have new car stations, and one of the elevators also has LED lights. Floor. And the small elevators are single speed and the bigger ones are 2-speed elevators. Maintained by lifts. The lifts is a local generic company from Bratislava. Basement. Ventilators empty, so also knows when these doors are open, but I can still close them. That's